Welcome to our distillery. Today, I'll show you exactly how Chivas Regal 18 is made, step by step.
From carefully selected grains to 18 years of maturation, this is the full journey behind every bottle. The malting process activates natural enzymes essential for creating the signature character of Chivas Regal 18. Carefully controlled temperatures help extract fermentable sugars for Chivas Regal 18.
Yeast transforms sugars into alcohol, creating the foundation of Chivas Regal 18.
Only the finest portion of the spirit is selected for Chivas Regal 18.
Remember back when you said that the sing one like Peter Bort's going to put it right, and I may think this all right. I'm listening when you're in this.
Only carefully selected American oak and European oak casks are chosen for Chivas Regal 18.
Each cask of Chivas Regal 18 is carefully filled and sealed to begin its long maturation journey. Over 18 years, Chivas Regal 18 develops deep flavors from oak, thyme, and patience.
Every cask of Chivas Regal 18 is individually assessed for aroma, balance, and depth.
Chivas Regal 18 is crafted from a selection of exceptional aged whiskies, blended to perfection. After blending, Chivas Regal 18 is left to marry, allowing its complex flavors to fully integrate.
Chill filtration ensures Chivas Regal 18 maintains clarity, while preserving its refined character.
The chromatography results are consistent with the signature profile.
Excellent. Proceed with sensory evaluation.
Every batch of Chivas Regal 18 must meet strict sensory and chemical standards. Each Chivas Regal 18 bottle is crafted to reflect its premium heritage. Precision filling and sealing preserve the integrity of Chivas Regal 18. Every Chivas Regal 18 label reflects craftsmanship, heritage, and precision. The packaging of Chivas Regal 18 is designed to match the excellence inside every bottle.
Each bottle of Chivas Regal 18 carries a unique code, ensuring full traceability and authenticity.
Before leaving the distillery, every Chivas Regal 18 bottle undergoes rigorous inspection.
From Scotland to the world, Chivas Regal 18 begins its global journey.
Each shipment of Chivas Regal 18 is verified to ensure authenticity and proper documentation.
The refined presentation of Chivas Regal 18 reflects its 18 years of craftsmanship.
Đến áo thun ngũ sĩ นะครับเป็นครับก็ผ่านอ่านที่เดินฮะแต่เดินมีการตีโลว่าในหลอกนายครับดักนามิกำไปขี้ปกเนี่ย
From distillery to retail, Chivas Regal 18 reaches those who appreciate fine Scotch whiskey.
Every bottle of Chivas Regal 18 carries 18 years of dedication.
Chivas Regal 18 reveals notes of dried fruit, dark chocolate, and subtle oak.